All right, so this is actually problem number 7 from your assignment. And so for problem number 7, it says this jogger runs from point A to point B. What is the distance traveled? Right, this was part A. And the displacement running from point A to point B. So this is what is the distance traveled and the displacement? So this one you got to have 2 answers, and I would imagine if you got it wrong, it's probably because you got the 2 confused. So let's talk about distance versus displacement, okay? The distance is a little bit easier. The distance is the path, how far they traveled. So if you want to, you can imagine that the runner goes from A to B. So they just go from here, and they run this way, and they stop here. So that total distance, if you were to approximate, I would guess, you see how this is 30? So I would have guessed from here to here is about 15. And then all the way down here is 100. And then to go back up here is about 15, because it looks like the halfway point, okay? So then if you add all that up, the distance would seem like it's 100 plus 15 plus 15. And so that'd be 130 meters, because that's measured in meters, right? So this is 100 meters, this is 15 meters, and this is 15 meters, okay? All right, so now the displacement's a little different. The displacement doesn't care about the path, all right? So if I make A my starting point, my initial position, we could call that, it depends on how you want to do it. You could call it 0. And then my final position, X, would be B. And, well, how far is it from here to here if we ignore the path? It's just 100 meters. So you totally ignore the track. And so then that one, for the displacement, remember that's going to be delta X is equal to the final minus the initial. So that would be delta X is equal to 100 meters minus 0 meters. So it's just 100 meters.